Okay guys, so one of the easiest ways to make money online as someone who is looking for ways to make money online is testing websites and apps. And I know a lot of you don't really know much about me, but I do design websites and apps for people, and I also write content that you see on websites and apps. So these are some of the jobs that I have done. So if you have any job, make sure to email me. Okay, all right, so I can tell you that the most important part of this job is testing these apps and websites before the launch, and companies are willing to pay to get people to come and test these websites and apps, because it doesn't make sense for them to finish producing an app and developing it and everything only for people to find it difficult to use the app. They want to test for the user experience and the user interaction. So if you're willing to make money through this means, you guys know me, I'm going to tell you everything as it is and how to get started as a complete beginner. So there are some things that are expected of you to know and to be able to do before you do this job. And the good thing about this job is that you don't really need to have any experience and you don't need any interview as well. But it is important for me to mention here that they're going to do a preliminary test for you, just so they'll be able to know if you really understand what the job is about. So you get prepared so that you'll be able to pass this preliminary test, because you stand the chance of being invited to test any app or website that is available. So like you guys already know, I'll always show you how to get started using free resources. So I was able to find this YouTube channel that teaches people about how to go about software testing, and all you need to do is just to go through the playlist they already have on courses about software testing, and then you get yourself equipped, understand the basic things that you're expected to know and how to go about testing apps, so you stand the chance. Now here is a pro tip for me as someone who designs websites and apps. The most important thing you're expected to have is to have a phone, laptop, an internet source, and you should be able to think out loud. What it means is that if you're ever giving a test, you should be able to say the things you're thinking about what you're doing while you're testing the app. You should be able to say that, because in some cases they will ask you to put your camera on and have a microphone, so you have to make provision for all this before you get started. So if you go through this course and you're good and you're ready to go into testing the app, then I'm going to share with you websites where you can find jobs that are going to pay you to test app. They're going to pay you up to like $50 per hour to test app. And the last website I'm going to mention here is my favorite, because even if you're in Africa, they can actually pay you direct into your bank account. If it sounds good, so let's get started. So the first website will pay you up to $50 per hour, and this website will always pay you every month. That is, by the end of every month, that's when you receive your payment for the work you did for that month. So on this website, when you come to the website, you're going to see everything that is expected of you to know, including how it works, like the work from home, the extra money you can make, and how the things you start to get, like expanding your mind. They said it sharpen existing skills and learn new ones while working with them. And here is the registration process. The registration process comes in 5 steps. Then you register, you get onboarded, and then you start testing and earning. And of course, you build your test grid. Like, it's more like you build a profile that says you're very good at what you're doing, and then you become a great tester here on the website. So that is basically what you're going to do. This website is going to pay you via PayPal as well. So if you want to get registered with them, you must have a PayPal account. And like I said before, payment is done monthly, so you have that in mind as well. Next website is going to pay you $3 to $30 per test. Now, if you come to the website, you can see that each test lasts up to like 5 to 60 minutes, and you have to have your computer, your tablet, and your smartphone. And then most tests that is around 20 minutes long is going to pay you like $10, as you can see here. Now on this website, it is important for you to watch the video that is available here on the website, and this video will give you a little bit of training about how to go about, making your application and, standing a chance of getting involved in the tests that they have here on the website. They also do have some answers to some questions that you possibly may be having as regards, doing the test here, including about languages and everything. But usually they're expecting you're expected to be fluent in English language. And of course, if you have other languages you speak, it can actually be a bonus for you. Now, this website is going to pay you via PayPal, and you're going to receive your money in the wallet. Like, once you create an account, you're going to have a user wallet on the platform, and then they're going to send you your money, and from there you can transfer it to your PayPal account. So if you're going to be using this platform, you must make sure to have a verified PayPal account. And the name of this website is Userfeel, and you guys know I'll always leave the link to all these websites in the comment section where you can easily find them. So the next one is one that allows people from 18 years and above to be able to test on this app. What it means is if you're below 18 years, you're not eligible to test on this website, and they usually pay via PayPal, and the test here lasts for like 15 to 20 minutes, and they're going to pay you $10 for 15 to 20 minutes test. And of course you have to have your basic requirement like your computer, your phone, and internet source to get started with them. So if you come to the website, you will see how to sign up and how to start your trial test like I mentioned earlier, and then you're going to expect it to speak out your thoughts like I told you earlier as well. Now here are the requirements you're supposed to have to get started with this website. You have to have a PC or a Mac, a stable internet source. You will need an iPhone, iPad, Android phone, and all these devices here. You need to be able to think out loud and be outspoken when it comes to English language. In fact, for this website, they want you to have C1 level of English language speaking, so you have that in mind too. So of course you have to be able to receive your payments before you start making application on this website. So this is the website. To get started, you click here where it says get started, and then you get started working with them as a tester. And the name of this website is UserPeek.com. So moving on to the next website. So far, if you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We are growing and we are moving up to 4,000 subscribers. We are grateful to all of you that have been supporting by liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting. We are really grateful to you all. So the next website is another one that allows people that are from 18 years and above to register on this platform. Now on this platform, you're going to earn like $15 to $30 for 45 to 60 minutes testing you're going to do on the website. And another thing you need to know is that this website will pay you after every 14 days. Like they pay in 2 weeks intervals, so you have that in mind as well. Now another good thing about this platform is if you don't want to receive your payment in cash, you can receive your payment in incentives like gift cards or presents or stuff like that they offer here on the website. So if you come to the website, this is what it basically looks like. And if you want to get started with them, you click here where it says get started for free. You fill out the information and then you get started working for them. Of course, you have to pick that you're a beta tester. You shouldn't pick that you're a company while you're trying to sign up with them here on the platform. So the name of the platform is BetaTesting, so you can check it out. So the next website will pay you relatively small compared to the other websites that I've mentioned. But the good thing about them is that even if you don't want to do testing job, you can find surveys that you can run on this website and then earn money from it. Now on this website, you have short tests for like 1 to 5 minutes, and because they are short, you will be earning like 0.20 cents for a minute testing. What it means is that if you test for 5 minutes, the amount you're going to be earning is 5 times 20 cents. So you have that in mind. But the good thing is they will tell you the duration of the test before you get started. So if you think the duration is too short for you and you're not going to make much money, you can decline the test. But if you think the duration is big enough or you just want to go for it, you can go ahead with it. That's another good thing about this website. And then of course you must be 18 years and above, and the payment threshold for this website is $10 through PayPal. So what it means is that if you will not be able to get your money on this website until you're able to make up to $10 on this website. So you understand that and know if it is the best option for you or not. And if you want to apply, you click here where it says apply, and you're going to fill out this form that it brings out for you and take it from there. So you might want to check it out. The name of the website is UserCrowd. I'm also going to leave the link to every website in the comment section so you can easily find it. So the next website is Win, and this website, the payment threshold for this, unlike the previous one I mentioned, is $5, and they're going to pay you via PayPal. And on this website, the payment is made after 2 weeks of completing the job. What it means is that you should not expect your payment immediately after completing the job. You have to probably wait for 2 weeks for them to be able to process your payment and make your payment. So if you come here on the website, you can see everything they expected of you to know when it comes to their payment policy. The amount you'll be paid per test will be clearly identified within the test invitation you receive by email, just like the previous one. So before you start the testing process, they will send you the amount for that test. What it means is that the amounts for tests are different and like they vary, and it depends on your location, the type of device you're working on, and the language you speak. These 3 things determines your eligibility to do tests. So if you are positioned well, you'll be able to be getting more invitations to run this test. So to get started, you have to understand that while after signing up, you'll be given a little test, like I mentioned, for you to do, so that they understand how what you know about the job and if you're eligible to do the job. And of course, you test out and then you start getting your payment. Now here, to get started, you click where it says become a tester, and then you sign up and take it up from there, and hopefully it works for you. So the last one is my personal favorite. That's because of the payment policy. And the good thing about the website is the fact that no matter your age, you can actually do the job here, because there are some apps that are for children, so they will always allow children to test such apps. So, and their parents will make this sign the legal documents when it comes to doing this test. So everybody is welcomed, and regardless of where you are in the world, you are allowed to do these jobs, and you can receive your payment. Like, they have different methods of payments: direct bank account payments, they have Payoneer, they have free PayPal. So they will explain everything for you on the website, just so you understand before you get started working for them. And you're expected to earn from 20 euros to 15 euros per test. And the good thing is, they will send you the equivalent of this figure in your local currency direct to your bank account. That is the good thing. Like, they have the policy about payments, as you can see here on the website. You have to go through all this. So they say if you can't receive your money via bank account, to pay you via PayPal. And in some countries like Nigeria, Turkey, Ukraine, Macedonia, and so much more, PayPal is restricted, so you can pay with it, but you can receive money with it. Of course, people in these places, they know all this. You can't receive money with PayPal, so they ask you to contact them, and they will figure out how to make sure this payment gets to your bank account within 48 hours. So that is the best part about this website, and the name of the website is nest.testbirds. So I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section. So when you see them, just click and go and check it out yourself before you start making application. So if you're looking to make money by proofreading, you can check out this video, or by typing, you can also check out this video. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to this channel if you found value in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.